Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Eric in Pennsylvania on this Ranger RCI X9. Eric got you ready to go. We got our tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator, wideband mod, high cut filter, this thing's truckerized, got the unlocked clarifier mod, as well as a wideband mod to the SRE 198, which not only going to make you sound bigger and bolder, Eric, but it's going to add some more audio while still maintaining the noise cancellation feature. So let's start with our power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Man, it gets you about 3 watts all the way down. That way you get full adjustability, run like a 4 pill, 6 pill, 8 pill, whatever. 30 watts all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, 70 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 175 PEP. Eric, we'll get it out to you, bud. I most definitely appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.
Get your Truckerize tuned today. Truckerize. Get wise and get Truckerize today.